I didn't become profitable until I found this simple 3-step model. It doesn't get any easier than this, so stick with me. I'll show you exactly how it works. So first, we're gonna need a sweep of liquidity. Second, we're gonna need a high time frame PD array. So that's basically just a fair value gap. And then we're gonna need a CISD that leaves that fair value gap. And then third, we are going to need to take the easiest viable entry. Let me show you exactly what that means. So this right here is an A+ example. We just swept Asia low. We were tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap, and we also just made a CISD on the 1-minute chart. But this is the catch with this model. In order to form that CISD, we also made a fair value gap that overlaps with the CISD. So how do we know where to take entry? In this case, since the fair value gap is closer to price, we can take entry at the fair value gap, and this is what's called our easiest viable entry. You can target opposing liquidity up here and watch as price runs straight to our take profit. As you can see in this example, price never tagged the CISD. So if you were only looking for your entry right here, you would have never gotten tagged in on this beautiful trade. This is not always the case though. Sometimes the CISD will form above the fair value gap or without the fair value gap. So in these cases, you need to make sure that the setup is A+. I actually made a completely free PDF checklist so you know what I look for in an A+ setup. You can find this PDF completely for free in my Discord, so drop a follow on this account and comment profit, and I can send you a link to join with no obligation and no commitment.